One. Okay, here's more for loops. This is going to be a repeat loop. Don't be any intimidated by all this up here. This is just initialization. I'm clearing any things on the screen, and I got this out of the pin menu. Also out of the pin menu comes stamp, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Look, if you had a stamp with that figure on it, and every time you pushed it on the paper, it would show another image. Show you've seen before, go to you've seen before, that just actually sets the cat somewhere up in this left hand corner. Set size you've seen before, I just wanted him not as big. And then say one cat is not enough. So really all these beginning things do is just set him in that place and say those things. Really no big deal. So let's take a look at a repeat loop and a stamp for a moment. So 3 times I'm going to repeat. I'm going to wait just 0.1 seconds. I'm going to make a stamp of myself, and then I'm going to change his X value by 60. And if you can predict what will happen here, take a moment. Okay, what do I think is going to happen? And then we'll go ahead and run the program. One cat is not enough. And you'll see that they're made more of him out to the right-hand side. He may have moved his X by 60. What happens if I would change this X by 60 above the word stamp? So this time it doesn't stamp until the original has changed. I will tell you that it won't look exactly like this. Again, can you predict what it might look like? And pause the video if you need to. And if not, here we go. Spoiler alert. It only does the second 3. All right. So just along those same lines, instead of changing X by 60, this time I'll leave the stamp in there and I'll change Y by negative 75. And this time the stamp's above and the change Y by negative 75 is below. Again, pause it if you'd like to play the game. Ask yourself what it's going to look like. Spoiler alert, number 2. It makes copies going down. And last but not least, maybe we'll throw them this way. Again, pause if you want to, play the game, and hit it. Just the final 3. And just for giggles, maybe I'll take both of them and I'll put them in there. And now ask yourself again, what's going to happen with this particular setup? Step, change Y, change X. And here we go. All right, so our goal for this one then, and I can show you this in class or in another video, is I would like to create a grid. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 cats this way and 4 cats this way, just so it looks like they're a row of rows and columns of cats. So all these little spaces here above and below will be filled in. And I'd like to know what you think and how you can do that. I'll come back with some problem solving solutions here for you in a little bit. Thanks.